What's up, freshies?
I'm Caleb.
I'm Itty.
I'm Brett.
I'm Albert.
And I'm Saiyan. And we are...
The Things and Such.
Always keep it fresh.
We are the Gentle Boys. We are an accumulation of Tongan, Samoan, Maori, Cook Island, and we are artists. We love it. We've got a burning passion for the arts. We love performing, and we love being up on stage or in front of the camera. Oh, what?
I filmed the Disney Plus series over in Sydney, yeah.
The Things and Such is like taking TikTok and like scrolling, because we all love scrolling, and taking that concept and putting it in a theatre space. So you're going from different worlds all the time, and it's about trying to play tag with the audience, if that makes sense.
Caroline, tell me what you did! What did you do, Caroline?
Which one? Which?
Well, up with it. Caroline, all the guys that mighty fine.
I think it's different in the sense of it doesn't have to make sense. There's no storyline, there's no A, B, C, D. It's kind of all over the alphabet at different times and different spaces, you know what I mean? So we're just kind of, in a way, playing roles that we've always wanted to play, but we'll probably may never get the chance to. So we're just casting ourselves in this thing.
Help me! Nancy, Caleb, it's obvious here. We're drinking, okay? Save us, yes! I'm casting! This, casting again! Thank you for saving me, I don't want to drink this. Come on, boys, we shouldn't be fighting each other. Fighting each other, boys! We are the Titans! We are the Titans! We are the Titans!
We just wanted to see if people would mess with our humor and mess with our weirdness, our chaotic kind of vibes.
There's no, like Saiyan said, there's no ABC. It's just whatever comes is whatever you take. Pass it, pass the ball, receive the ball kind of vibe. Well, yeah, give and take.
Oh, this show gives our Wellington audience humour that is absurd humour.
Sometimes it's not that deep, and I think we're just bringing that to light. Like, you know, it's all lighthearted and with a grain of salt, but it depends on how you perceive all of the things we put in front of you.
Polynesian humor, bro. Like, yeah, we look big and scary, but we're funny too.
I reckon it's really good seeing like that type of poly humor out on stage. So for us to be like relate back to it, it was really nice.
We can crack a joke too, you know?
3 words, my face hurts from smiling so much. Such a good one.
Yeah, I guess from my end, like in my own experience, I haven't seen much of it for the polys like being on screen, especially in here in Wellington. So to see their creativity kind of portrayed on screen, just me.
So I've been lucky to see the show maybe like a couple of times, and I'm just like, you just always leave like happy and joyful, and it's like sad that it's over.
Yeah, don't go. Come back again.
I want more.
We just watched The Things and Such. Go check it out.
And don't forget to keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh!